Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, hi, my name is Patience. Thank you for watching today's video. I have no idea what today's video is going to be about. This is just a random vlog video, just pure random video. Today is Sunday. Usually Sunday is my relaxed day. Just Sunday, it's me and a bottle of wine and Netflix. Just me, bottle of wine and Netflix, just three of us. But unfortunately, I see myself editing videos. Like right now I'm editing videos. Like I just want a glass of wine, but no, I can't even do that because I need to edit video. So today my daughter is making pancake. She wants to show you guys how she makes pancake. So she's going to be taking over this video. She's going to be taking over this channel for today. She's downstairs getting everything ready. Before we go downstairs, I'm just going to apologize on my daughter's behalf because that girl has no filters. She's unapologetic young lady. She will say whatever she wants to say and keep it moving. I'm not going to be there with her while she's filming. I'm going to be in my room editing videos. So whatever she says, I'm apologizing. Don't even take her serious. Just don't even mind her. Okay? So I'm going to take you guys downstairs now, and I'm just going to set up everything and then let her do her thing. So I'm going to see you guys in the next video. So, and please, if you like this type of video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, girl, what are you waiting for? Like, I don't understand what you guys are waiting for. Just basically just press the red button, period. Just press it. It's simple as that. You ain't gotta pay nothing, just have to press it. Okay, so press the red button.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new, please subscribe. If you're the OG, thank you. We love you. Today, we're going to be doing pancakes. Don't mind my hair because my hair is messy, but today is wash day for me because I need to wash my hair. It's very dirty. But these are curly hair. Okay. These are the ingredients you need to make the pancake. Flour, butter, honey, egg, and sugar. Now let's mix it all together. First we're going to add flour. Oops. Then we're going to add 2 cracks of egg. Then we're going to add butter. Next we're going to add milk. Now we're going to add sugar. You can add as much as you want. We added all the ingredients, which is flour, egg, milk, butter and sugar. Now I'm going to turn it.
Walking on fire, trying not to burn my feet. I'm tired of fighting, saying things we don't mean. You know I don't like it when you're packing your bag and turning your back, calling me a liar.
It's a bit too thick, so I want to make it thinner by adding milk, so it can be all watery and nice. Now I'm going to add the milk. Wow. There. Now I'm going to put it back in. Okay, and now I'm going to add the cover. And now I'm going to on it.
Don't want me, even though you told me so. And baby, I wonder if we should just go separate ways. We could start over. We could start over.
Now it's mixed up so lovely. Look. And now we're gonna put it in the pan and make sure the pan is very hot.
Now I got these voices in my head. I can focus. Feels like this. I'm terrified of losing you.
This is gonna be a good pancake and so juicy and yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh my goodness, it's burning! Okay, then. Yay, I did it! Let me try one right now. It tastes so good. I love pancakes. I think it's time to flip it over now. Whoa, it's very hot. Okay, now I'm gonna put it on the plate. Wow, my first ever pancake I made! Hip hip hooray! Guys, I'm telling you, this is the best pancake ever in the whole world. The pancakes are better.
Let me level with you. Let me be in your crew. I just wanna be free. Be with people like me. I'm so not in the mood to be broken and blue. I just wanna go dance. Maybe find me some romance. I don't wanna talk tonight. I don't wanna waste another night. I just wanna hit the floor. Maybe some.
Hello, camera. Okay. A big pancake. A big pancake served for Mrs. Naomi. Wow. I love pancakes. They're so nice and okay. I think the pancake is ready. Cut the pancake. Wow. This is so yummy.
Take it away, take it away, take it away. Do it my way, do it my way, do it my way. Free from the pain, free from the pain, free from the pain. A night off, a night off. I could use a new friend. I don't wanna pretend.
I'm making it little sections each because I want to make it a lot for my family. This is so good. My pancakes are better than yours. Ha!
There's so much more to life than fear. All I want is a night off. All I need is a night off. All I want is a night off. Ooh. Take it away, take it away, take it away. Do it my way, do it my way, do it my way. Free from the pain, free from the pain, free from the pain. A night off. A night off. Take
This is the last bit we need to pour in.
the pain. A night off. A night off. Ooh. There's so much more to life than tears. There's so much more to life than fears. All I want is a night off.
I love pancakes. I love pancakes. I love it right now. You can see I'm cooking it. I'm on holiday for 2 weeks, Easter holiday. So I'm going to make pancakes every day. Wow. This heat is making me to get very hot. Oh, hard work.
Life is what you make it. My shit's been amazing. I can't see a way.
This delicious fat thing. Guys, look at this juicy fat pancakes. Oh, they smell so good. They're yummy. Let's taste some. It tastes good. I made this all by myself. Wow. This is so good. My family's gonna have some of these. It's gonna be all A-OK. Ashton, come and have some. The top ones are a bit hot. Yummy. This is so good. Hot. I'll go by force. Cool down. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button, comment, like, share and subscribe again.